What if I told you this Ferrari can drive silently like a Tesla and then turn around and drop nearly 1,000 horsepower like it's mad at the entire planet? Yeah, no joke. This is the Ferrari SF90 Stradale, and it might be the most confusing, ridiculous, and straight up insane Ferrari ever built. And trust me, by the end of this video, you're either gonna want one or you're gonna question why Ferrari even went this route in the first place. So stick around, because it gets wild. Oh, and before we dive in, hit that like button real quick. If this car blows your mind even once, you owe me that much. Let's start with the front, because this thing doesn't just look aggressive, it looks like it skipped anger management. The nose is insanely low, like good luck getting over a speed bump without crying low. The headlights are these razor-sharp LED strips that look like they're squinting at you like, you really thought your car was fast? There's no big grille like you'd see on something like a Chevrolet Corvette C8. Ferrari basically said grills are for normal people. Instead, you get these deep air channels and vents sculpted right into the bumper, pulling air through the car like it's prepping for takeoff. The hood is clean but muscular. Subtle vents, smooth lines. It's not trying too hard because it doesn't have to. This thing knows what it is. Now slide to the side, and this is where things go from nice to, yo, what is that? The profile is straight up futuristic. It's got that fighter jet vibe, like if a stealth bomber and a Ferrari had a baby. The side intakes are massive, aggressively carved, and they're not just for show, they're feeding air straight into that hybrid powertrain. The wheels? Massive, wide, sticky. These tires look like they could grip onto your hopes and dreams and not let go. You're basically glued to the road. Door handles? Gone. Well, not gone, but flush, hidden, clean. You press, they pop, because apparently even door handles had to go digital in 2026. The mirrors are mounted on these sleek aerodynamic arms, and the roofline flows backward like a drop of water cutting through air. It's smooth, fast, and honestly, kinda unfair to every other car on the road. Now let's talk about the rear, because this is where Ferrari broke tradition and said, let's mess with people. No classic round taillights, nope. Instead, you get these thin horizontal LED strips that stretch across the back. Super modern, almost alien. Below that, a massive diffuser that looks like it belongs on a race car. I'm not even sure it's legal in some dimensions. And the exhaust mounted high, right under the lights, like it's flexing, like, yeah, I'm allowed, deal with it. There's also an active rear wing that pops up when you're pushing the car. It's called the shut-off gurney. Sounds like a Marvel character, honestly. Overall, this car doesn't just look fast, it looks like it's from 10 years in the future. And if you think the outside is crazy, just wait till you sit inside, because Ferrari went full sci-fi mode. Now, let's talk about what actually makes this thing terrifying. Underneath all that Italian drama, you've got a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8. Sounds normal, right? Yeah, until Ferrari adds 3 electric motors on top of it. Combined output, 986 horsepower. Let that sink in. 0 to 60 in about 2.5 seconds. That's not acceleration. That's your organs trying to catch up with your body. And here's the weird part. It's a plug-in hybrid. You literally drive this thing in electric-only mode. Silent, calm, peaceful, like a Tesla Model S Plaid. And then you switch modes and it turns into absolute chaos. You've got different driving modes. E-Drive for silent cruising, hybrid for daily use, performance for, okay, this is getting serious, and qualify mode, which is basically, I hope you signed your will. This car is Ferrari experimenting and flexing at the same time. Now, yeah, it's a Ferrari, but safety still matters, at least a little. The chassis is built from aluminum and carbon fiber, which means it's insanely strong while staying lightweight. You've got multiple airbags, of course, along with advanced traction control systems that basically keep you from spinning into next week. Your Ferrari's side slip control system is like having a professional driver quietly correcting your mistakes in the background. You also get carbon ceramic brakes, massive stopping power because you're definitely gonna need it. There's ABS, electronic stability control, parking sensors, cameras, all the modern essentials. No official Euro NCAP rating, but let's be real, this car is built more for the track than your grocery run. All right, deep breath, because this is where reality hits. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale starts at around $515,000. Yeah, $500,000. And that's before options. And Ferrari options, oh, they'll happily turn this into a $600K situation real quick. For that kind of money, you could buy multiple houses in some states or stack up a garage full of cars like the Tesla Model S Plaid and still have cash left over. So here's the real question. Are you taking this hybrid Ferrari spaceship or something like the Chevrolet Corvette C8 and pocketing the rest? Let me know in the comments. I actually want to hear your take. So what do you think? Future icon or Ferrari losing its mind a little? Drop your thoughts below, smash that like button if this car impressed you even a little, and don't forget to subscribe, because next time we might be looking at something even crazier, maybe a car that makes this feel normal. Until then, stay fast, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one.